What's up guys, back with another great video, and today I'm going to be opening some brand new Flirt putty. So basically, the putty, why it's called like Flirt putty is because it is noise putty. So I just got this, as you see, the wrappers to run it. So let's cut it. Cut it. Cut it. So we gotta take it off. Then we got these seals. So now that we got all this like trash off, let's open our noise putty. Oh my god. What? Ew. She got like this light pink one. Look at it. Let's put it on the table.
Well, make sure you keep it in your lid. You can't run overnight and stuff, or it's gonna get dried up.
Oh, this is so like cool. It's not very. So let me go get Waddles, because this toy was for him. Waddles, I got you some noise putty.
No, you can't tell them. What is that, slime? It's called slime.
Let's see if it's good for poking holes in.
Oh, she into like this. Oh, she. Sorry, Waddles.
So like this is like really.
Oh my gosh, this
Ooh,
toy.
Like it smells like really good. Oh, and you can poke holes in it and stuff. So guys, make sure you get like this flirt stuff. Oh my god, that sounds like a choking duck.
I need to call back in.
I had one that sounded like a choking duck. So yeah, this is like really fun to play with. Did someone just knock on the door? I don't know. But I freaking love this stuff. It's like stretchy. It's good for stress. If you have stress. I'm about to go show my brother. Let's see his reaction to us getting this part.
Can I take it out now?
Yeah. We got some like fart.
It farts, Joaquin, but it farts when you put it back in there. Like if you have to squish it out.
You want to touch it?
It's like
It's
slime.
fart. It farts when
If
you
you
put it in the cup.
here,
Here.
you can put it in any of them and then.
Hold up. Oh my god.
Yes, you can. Did you hear that?
Can I have it?
Excuse me.
Ew. Oh, so this is like the best. I love it. Let's put it back on the set. So I freaking love this stuff. It's actually pretty stretchy. Like putty. I wish you guys could feel it. It's like really, it feels wet, but it's really not. It will make your hands smell like it, and it smells like orange. We'll have to cut it. Oh, I love this stuff. Okay, let's make some farts. Oh, it does that for something. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. So guys, get some of this stuff. It was like really fun to play with. And like, it's only $1. $1. So get it at the dollar store. This one, it's hard to put back in there because like, so just do that. Let's just do that. And make sure it gets in there. But we're gonna be playing with it. Oh my gosh, look at the look at the shape. Like the top is like that, and then like it's like that. And it's like slime. See, look. Hold up. Let me actually get it on there. Like it disappears, so you can just keep poking holes and you don't have to do none of that stuff. You just have to keep like poking holes into it. So that's the good part about it. I freaking love this like Flurp. It's like slime, and I'm definitely gonna try to keep this. So they had a green one, but I wanted orange. That was really stretchy. So let's go see what they're talking about. Go your nosy. Oh, he's talking to her dad. Looks like Jalen on Snapchat. Hold up. Take a picture and then show them. Okay, now show them this picture. Oh, my hand's in the way. Hold up, we gotta let the camera focus on it.
It's the dog, but
So I love this. It's like slime, guys. If you don't have slime and you want something very similar and better, then get this like Flurp. Oh my god, it's so stretchy. Let's go back. Oh, we just dropped it. Okay. Yeah, okay. We just dropped it. Okay. So. Ooh, you smell that? Oh, that was a Flurp. Can you please get your butt out of my face? Now let's. Okay, let's see what it looks like. We're putting the lid on it. Imagine you only got like that much. Wait, oh my god, this is a ripoff. Imagine only this much Flurp to play with. Like, take it off and be like, yeah, this is the best. But I mean, it would be good because you actually got some Flurp. So, what I don't like about it is like it doesn't stretch that well. But it's okay. It doesn't matter about stretchy slime or Flurp. I keep calling it slime because it's like, and this is the container you keep it in. Ew, it has trash on it. Oh, that was wet. So guys, thanks for watching today's video where we opened like our Flurp. And yeah, it was really fun to open it and have fun with it. So yeah guys, maybe in another video I'll play with it. Bye.